What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a topic that I know a lot of you are interested in: weight loss. Specifically, we're diving into the best weight loss drinks and remedies that can help you shed those extra pounds and boost your overall health. Now, I'm a big believer in taking a holistic approach to health, which means we're not just looking for quick fixes here. We're going to be talking about drinks that not only help you lose weight but also nourish your body from the inside out. So, if you're ready to kickstart your weight loss journey and feel amazing, then grab a glass, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with a delicious tropical treat: pineapple juice. This vibrant golden liquid is not only a feast for the eyes, but also a powerhouse of nutrients that can help you on your weight loss journey. Now, pineapple juice isn't just refreshing, it's like a mini vacation in a glass. Imagine sipping it on a sunny day, feeling the cool, sweet liquid invigorate your senses. But beyond its delightful taste, pineapple juice is actually packed with an enzyme called bromelain. This enzyme is a game changer when it comes to digestion and metabolism. Bromelain is a natural digestive aid, meaning it helps your body break down food more efficiently, which is essential for weight loss. When your digestive system is running smoothly, your body can absorb nutrients better and convert food into energy more effectively. Think about it. When your digestion is sluggish, it can lead to bloating, discomfort, and even weight gain. These issues can make you feel heavy and lethargic, hindering your weight loss efforts. But bromelain swoops in and helps things move along smoothly, reducing those uncomfortable symptoms and supporting your weight loss goals. Imagine feeling light and energized after a meal, ready to take on the day. Plus, pineapple is a good source of fiber, which helps you feel fuller for longer, preventing those pesky cravings that can derail your progress. Fiber is your friend when it comes to maintaining a healthy weight. But here's the thing, not all pineapple juice is created equal. When you're shopping for pineapple juice, it's important to read the labels carefully. You want to look for unsweetened 100% pineapple juice to avoid added sugars that can sabotage your efforts. Added sugars can turn a healthy drink into a calorie bomb, so choose wisely. And remember, moderation is key. Even though pineapple juice has amazing benefits, it's still important to enjoy it as part of a balanced diet. Drinking too much can lead to excessive calorie intake, so incorporate pineapple juice into your diet wisely. Pair it with other healthy foods and you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals while enjoying a delicious tropical treat. Cheers to a healthier you. Next up, we have a vibrant and earthy drink that packs a serious nutritional punch: beetroot juice. This deep red elixir is not just a treat for your taste buds but also a powerhouse of health benefits that can transform your well-being. Beetroot juice is like a detoxifying superhero for your body. It's rich in essential nutrients like vitamins A, B6, and C, magnesium, iron, folate, potassium, and dietary fiber. These nutrients work together to support various bodily functions and keep you feeling your best. It's loaded with antioxidants and nitrates, which help to support liver function and flush out toxins. Antioxidants combat oxidative stress and inflammation, while nitrates improve blood flow and lower blood pressure, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. Why is this important for weight loss? Well, when your liver is overloaded with toxins, it can't function optimally, which can slow down your metabolism and make it harder to lose weight. A sluggish liver means your body struggles to process fats and sugars efficiently, leading to weight gain and fatigue. Beetroot juice helps to lighten the load on your liver, allowing it to work more efficiently and boost your metabolism. By aiding in the detoxification process, it ensures that your liver can focus on its primary functions, such as metabolizing fats and proteins, which is crucial for weight management. Plus, beetroot juice is naturally low in calories and high in fiber, making it a great choice for weight management. The fiber content helps to keep you feeling full for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating and helping you stick to your dietary goals. Just like with pineapple juice, it's best to opt for fresh, homemade beetroot juice, or look for unsweetened varieties without any additives. Store-bought versions often contain added sugars and preservatives that can negate the health benefits. And if you're not a fan of the taste, try mixing it with other fruits or vegetables like apples or carrots to create a delicious and refreshing drink. This not only enhances the flavor but also adds additional nutrients, making your juice even more beneficial. So, whether you're looking to detox, boost your energy levels, or support your weight loss journey, beetroot juice is a fantastic addition to your diet. Give it a try and experience the myriad of benefits this humble root vegetable has to offer. Now let's talk about a drink that's been making waves in the wellness world: celery juice. Celery juice has become incredibly popular, and for good reason. It's low in calories, hydrating, and packed with nutrients. One of the main reasons celery juice is touted for weight loss is its high fiber content. Fiber is essential for weight management because it helps you feel full and satisfied, preventing overeating. Celery juice is also a natural diuretic, meaning it can help reduce bloating and water weight. But here's the thing about celery juice: it's not a magic bullet. While it can definitely be a beneficial addition to a healthy diet, it's not going to magically melt away fat overnight. The key is to incorporate it into a balanced lifestyle that includes regular exercise and a nutritious diet. Looking for a quick and easy way to fire up your metabolism? You're not alone. Many people are on the hunt for natural and effective ways to give their metabolism a much-needed boost. Whether you're trying to lose weight, maintain a healthy lifestyle, or simply feel more energetic throughout the day, finding the right solution can make all the difference. Look no further than lemon ginger shots. These potent little drinks are not only easy to make but also pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. These little shots are packed with flavor and health benefits. Imagine starting your day with a burst of zesty lemon and spicy ginger, invigorating your senses and setting a positive tone for the hours ahead. Lemons are a natural source of vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. This powerful antioxidant helps protect your body from harmful free radicals and supports overall wellness. Vitamin C is not just an immune booster, it also plays a crucial role in collagen production. Collagen is a protein that helps keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, and can even aid in collagen production, which is great for healthy skin. Imagine the glow and radiance you can achieve with just a simple addition to your daily routine. Healthy skin is just one of the many benefits. Now, let's talk about ginger. Ginger, on the other hand, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. This root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, from nausea to muscle pain, and its ability to soothe digestion. If you've ever experienced an upset stomach or indigestion, you know how uncomfortable it can be. Ginger can help alleviate these symptoms, making it a great addition to your diet. But here's where the magic happens. When combined, lemon and ginger create a synergistic effect that can amplify their individual benefits. When combined, lemon and ginger create a synergistic effect that can boost your metabolism. This means your body can burn calories more efficiently, helping you achieve your health and fitness goals faster. That can boost your metabolism and help your body burn calories more efficiently. Imagine feeling more energetic and vibrant throughout the day with a metabolism that's working at its best, and help your body burn calories more efficiently. Regular consumption of lemon ginger shots can complement your exercise routine, making your workouts more effective and helping you see results faster. To make a lemon ginger shot, simply juice half a lemon and a small piece of ginger. It's a quick and easy process that you can do in just a few minutes. Simply juice half a lemon. Make sure to use fresh, organic lemons for the best results, and a small piece of ginger, grated or finely chopped. Fresh ginger root is best as it contains the most potent active compounds, and mix it with a little bit of warm water. This helps to dilute the strong flavors and makes it easier to drink. You can enjoy this shot first thing in the morning. It's a great way to kickstart your day and get your metabolism going, or before meals to reap its metabolism-boosting benefits. Incorporating lemon ginger shots into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your overall health and well-being. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, those drinks that promise to melt belly fat in 7 days. I'm going to be straight with you. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. There's no magic potion that will magically melt away fat overnight. Weight loss is a journey that requires consistency, effort, and a holistic approach. However, that doesn't mean these drinks are completely useless. Some of them might contain ingredients that have slight diuretic effects, which can lead to temporary water weight loss. Others might contain ingredients that promote gut health, which is definitely important for overall well-being. But it's crucial to remember that these drinks are not a quick fix. They should be seen as a small part of a larger puzzle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management. Now let's move on to exercise. While drinks can definitely support your weight loss journey, exercise is crucial for building muscle, boosting your metabolism, and sculpting those abs. And when it comes to targeting the lower belly, one exercise stands out: reverse crunches. Reverse crunches are a highly effective exercise that specifically targets the lower abdominal muscles. To perform a reverse crunch, lie flat on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands palms down by your sides for support. Engage your core and lift your hips off the ground, bringing your knees towards your chest. Slowly lower your hips back down to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions and remember to focus on quality over quantity. So there you have it, folks. Those are some of the best weight loss drinks and remedies to help you shed those extra pounds and boost your overall health. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these drinks and exercises into your routine, along with a balanced diet and regular exercise, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and stay informed.